Hello and welcome to our Model 905V setup video. Step 1. Power the instrument on and tip up the feet for better view. This will enable you to see the LCD better. Power on the instrument. Make sure that the plug is firmly inserted in the back. If necessary, use a voltmeter to check that you are getting 12 volts from the power supply. The power supply is center positive. Now, to prepare for sampling, remove the sample probe from the holder. Please note that the needle on the end of the sample probe is protected by an orange protector. Remove the orange protector. Inject normal room air into the back exhaust. This will set the instrument at 20.9%. If you feel resistance or you see any liquid coming out of the tip of the needle, then you may have contamination. At that point, it is advised to dry the sample probe out completely. Now, to adjust the oxygen reading, you can use either the side oxygen span, where you can increase the reading by turning it clockwise or decrease the reading by turning it counterclockwise, or if you need more adjustment, use the screwdriver to adjust the O2 span on the rear of the instrument. Before you begin, check to be sure that the inlet fitting is tight. If you need to change the needle, unscrew the tip and remove the needle. Insert the new one and make sure the orange washers are flat. Place the cover on the needle for protection.